Hey everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I'm going to show you a free parental control for Android phones. Right. So on the right, I've got the kid's phone, and on the left, the parent's phone. Download Google Family link from the Play Store. Yeah, and open it. Yeah. Next, on the parent's phone, click Add Child. Okay. Click yes if there's a Google account, and on the kid's phone, go to settings. It should be under Google. Here's roughly what it looks like. Google, right? Scroll down through all the services. Here, click Parental Control. Click Forward. Choose the account that will be linked with the kid's account. Click Supervise. Yeah, log out of any other accounts. Right. Next, click Next and enter the parent's email address here, or rather the phone number for it. Enter the password, then enter, accordingly, the kid's account password. The process is ongoing. Yeah. And accordingly, click Next, click Allow. Here, we choose what we want to control. Google Play, Google Chrome, Google Search. Then click Next. That's it. We've successfully set up parental controls. Now we can manage our child's device. Everything you want, from limits to search and beyond. Just click Screen Time here. You'll see how much time your child has spent on their phone today. If we want, we can even block it completely. And we can also set daily limits and so on. By the way, I just blocked my phone and already got a notification about it. There, you can fully control the location and anything else you want. That's all for now. Weller was with you. Goodbye, everyone.